In this section we continue to create one simple part because we want to create a mold, but we want to create a mold in different way. But I want to explain you 4 or 5 way how we can create a mold from one easy part. But first we need a piece or we need a part to start to create a mold, but after that we can start and create a mold. But I go first with a plan, and front plan, and I want to have a piece first. And after that we can continue with the part, but only I want to have one simple part. And we go with the dimension, and now we can have it like that, or we can change here, make 100, and go with the extrude, and we go 50, it's enough. I want to have it material for this part because we want to create a mold for aluminum, and when we want to have it correct also how should we can go in cast in aluminum, or we can only drop and we have it. Now I go with the shell command, and we leave like that. And now we need to control if we have a draft or not. But like we see, we don't have a draft. We can create a draft also when we have it in extrude for outside. But for inside, we create a shell, and we need to go in face and go draft, and we can create draft, and we leave 5 because it's better we go with the draft as much as we can, because when we cast it, if we don't have a draft, it's difficult to push out the piece. And we go same, but now we go outside. We need to change direction. Now we have a correct draft, and we can check also for draft. We see we have 5, 5, 5 draft. And I want to create a radius inside, also outside. We go with the 1. Or we go with the 2 because it's I want to have a bigger radius, not 1. And also here I want to have radius. I want to have it also here in this edge. And now we have a part, and we need to create a mold from this part, but we can go in different way. We have a create a part. Now we go with the one method how we can create a mold from this part. But first I want to go with the surface, create with the surface, and it's easier, it's not complicated. And if we want to create with the surface, we can only click in face inside and only go select tangent, and you go in surface, and after that we can go offset surface, and we say with a 0 offset. We go same outside, and we can go also select tangent, and we can create again surface, and we go same. Now we have create 2 surface and 1 body. We have 1 body, and also we have 2 different surface. If we want to hidden, we can only hidden, and we can hidden, and we can create now one side mold in one side. We go sketch, and we can create a different size. Only how I want only to show you how we can create it, and we can go with a surface, and we leave it with a 15, it's enough, and we can create it select open up, and we can go with the surface, and we can go with the fill surface, I click here first and we go select open and we go with the fill surface and we go because it's easier like that, and also here. Now we have created, we can create also body for this surface, and we have it one surface, 2, 3, but it's not created body because we have missed that, and we can go only knit, create solid, and we have a body. And also we go in same way. Now we go in that way in surface, but we go more. I want to indent this. And show, and we go in same way. And now also we have it. We can create a body. Now we have 3 different body. One way it's if we go like that. Now we have a complete, and it's one way if we go in this way with a surface. Like we see now, it's a complete. With the surface I go with the first method, but now I go with another method and I go with the mold tool. It's easy, and you can create a insert mold folder, and after that you can go with a parting line and you can click in which plan or a surface or you want to have a parting line. And this part it's easy, and we can create easy. And now we have a parting line, and after we need to check if we have a open somewhere. We can close with a shut off surface, but we don't have open. We can continue with the parting line surface. We have a different way to go, manual but we go first, we go here, it's 200, and now we have parting line surface, and it's easy. Only click in surface and make you want to create sketch. If you don't finish sketch, you can't go with the create tool split, but when you create it, and now we have created, but it's depending which way you want to go. Sometimes it's easier in this way, but sometimes it's not. It's more complicated because if you don't have a parting line, we need to create a different surface. It's more complicated. We go with the third method and we go with the command indented. We go with that command, but first we need to have a body. To go with that command, we can go in here, make a sketch, and we can create it, extrude, but we need to have a different body. We go like that, we go same, but I want to change direction here. Only change direction, and you can see when you have it like that, it's better you move face 0.01 and change direction, and now you can see a clean because you have it board. And we go with the same, we go sketch and we go convert, future, extrude. Now we have a free body, and I want to hidden this, and you go with the hidden command, this body I want to cut, and we can have a tolerance clean, and I want to have this body, and we can have a tolerance like I said. And now we have one body, two body, three body. This body we can use for combine with another, but also if we want for next we can leave for core, but I want to hidden this and show that body, and we can go with a combine, and we have it like before. We have created like before. I use most of the time for when I create a mold, I use that command because it's good for when we use that command, and we can also move and we can see. And we have it. Now we go with another method, and we go first, we want to open in assembly because I want to create with the cavity. If you want to have it in origin, we can go like that and say okay. And now we have in origin, and we need to create body. I want to make one mistake because I want to show you one thing. Now we have a two different body, and I want to create with a cavity, but we don't have an interference. If you don't have an interference now, and I made one mistake, but we can create it like that. We can change the plan. We need to go inside, and we need to have this plan in this face here. Now you can see all body is going that face. We go insert, future, and this body. I want to show one thing now because I want to hidden this. You can see now we have it. We have created, but we don't need this here, and we can go select tangent, delete face, also delete this face, enter, and we are complete now. Now we go in the same way, but we need another body. We go convert, extrude, insert, future, and which body we want to have it. and we have it here also, but we have another body. We can delete this body because we have it here. You can see we have 1 and 2, but we have this core. This core is in another mold, and we can delete this, but we need to, if we want to delete, we go and we can delete body or keep body in which one you want. Now we have it complete. And we have created with another method. In this section I want to explain a last method, and we go with the combine method. But first we need to have a body. But if we have a body, it's better we need to copy and have it two, and we can have a copy body, but we leave in same place, and only we can say copy. We have it now. We have a two body, and we create like before. Sketch first. We go again. We go with extrude. We go in this way. But I forgot to body, and we go with the combine. We go with the substrat on this body, and which body we want to. And I want to hidden this, and we go same delete face, but first we select tangent, and we go delete face, and we go same here, and now we have it one, and we can create another. We go sketch, we go convert, and we go with the extrude. We say yes. Again I forgot. And now we need to hidden this and show. We go same with the combine. And this body, and also with this body. Which body we want to select to keep it. Now we have it like that, and also we have another. Now we have it. We have a mold, but it's different with the Indent, because if you go with the combine, when you go with the combine, you don't have that correct port. But if you go with the Indent, also you have a port, because now we have two, and we don't have it port to compare. For example, we can, when we go copy, we can say two here, and now we have it.